In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate or clone Shopify page template easily. Duplicating a page template is a great way to keep your branding consistent while creating variations for sales, collections, or special announcements. By the end, you'll have a clean copy of an existing layout that you can customize without affecting your original page. First, open your Shopify store and head into your admin dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand menu and click Online Store. This takes you to the area where your theme lives and where all visual changes are managed. Next, click Edit Theme. Depending on your theme, this may be labeled Customize, but the idea is the same. You're opening the theme editor. This is where you can see your storefront preview and access the template tools you need. Once the theme editor loads, use the page selector at the top of the screen. Select the homepage option so you're looking at a known layout that already reflects your brand's design choices. This simply gives you a solid starting reference for the style and sections you like. Now, switch the selector to Pages. This focuses the editor on page templates specifically, which is where the clone will live. You'll notice the current page template name near the top. This will help you confirm where your duplicate will appear. Click Create Template. A prompt will open asking you to name your new template. Enter a clear, descriptive name so you and your team recognize its purpose later, something like Promo Landing or About Alt. Then click Create Template again to confirm. That's it. You've successfully duplicated the page template. Your new template now appears in the template picker within the Pages category. It inherits the structure and sections from the original, so you can safely tweak headings, images, and sections in this duplicate without changing the original layout. If you don't immediately see the Create Template option, make sure you're working with a modern theme that supports Shopify's current template system and that you're inside the theme editor, not elsewhere in the admin. A few tips as you move forward. Use a consistent naming convention so duplicates stay organized over time, especially if you plan to create multiple variations. Keep notes on what each template is for, like seasonal campaigns or evergreen content. And remember, duplicating a template is about saving time. Start from a layout that's already close to what you need, then fine-tune. That's the complete process for cloning a Shopify page template quickly and confidently.